Sachi.
Sachi, oh my God, such a nice name, Sachi. Do you know what my name is?
Sonal.
Okay, Sachi. Do you know why we are here today?
For coding.
Okay, very nice. Do you know what is coding?
Yes.
Yes, you do. My God, what is it? Then you tell me.
Coding is the instructions given to the computer.
Yes, oh my God, Sachi, you know that. Very good. Okay, and what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are to play with my younger sister and play blocks.
Oh, play blocks. Maybe after the class. Coding also is your hobby. Oh my God. Okay, very nice. Okay, then without any delay, I am also going to teach you something very nice today.
Yes.
Yes. See, I have some very beautiful project for you today.
Fish.
Yes, fishes and so many fishes, and the aquarium basically it's a deep ocean. Do you want to learn how to make this?
Yeah.
Oh my God, very nice.
Yeah, I can make fishes there.
I have this fish, I have this fish, I have this fish as well. So I can select whichever one I want. Okay? Okay, so now add more fishes to your project.
On the edge. It will sit
Yes, it's on the edge, so it's not moving. Okay, so yeah, remove the full screen and scroll down a little. There is a block which says, if on edge, bounce. Very good. And now go to look.
So I have learned how to make a music game.
Yeah, okay. Very nice.
And party lights.
Yes, disco lights. And what about making our fishes swim? We learned that as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.